So if I were you and I wanted to make an extra 10, 20, $30,000 this holiday season, here is exactly what I would do. And I'm not even gonna half step it with you. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would do, exactly what I have done, because I have made a lot of money for the holiday season doing what I'm about to tell you to do. Okay. And I don't care if you're brand new to t-shirts, if you are experienced, if you've done this before. Listen, the market is changing, people's spending habits are changing, and I know that these suggestions, these steps are gonna work. So just do this. If you want to make some money this holiday season, do these steps. All right. First things first, I'm signing up for Printify. Okay. I am signing up for a print on demand company. If I don't already have my account, I'm getting on there. Why am I getting on print on demand instead of going to buy a machine or trying to go print the shirts myself or finding a local screen printer? I'm getting on print on demand because I don't want any risk. I don't want to spend any money up front. I don't want to have to hold any inventory. I don't want to take any of my time to make shirts. I just want to make the money. There's enough going on in the holiday season. We got family, we got cooking, we got gifts, we got shopping. I don't want to have to worry about doing a lot of other stuff. I just want to make the money. Okay. So if you're somebody who just wants to make the money this holiday season and not have to add on another job, print on demand is going to be for you. And what I love about Printify is that they have thousands of products to choose from. They have AI built in, already there to help you. It's free for you to sign up. You don't have to pay any money to sign up. You don't owe them any money until you make a sale and then you pay for what it is that they're printing for your customer. And they're printing, packing, and shipping your items for you, shipping it right to your customer. Your customer thinks you was at home packing orders. Okay. It got your logo on it, your items on it, and they're like, "Oh my god, I love this." And what did you do? Nothing. All you did was tell them to go buy it. You didn't have to do any of the labor. So that's the first thing that I'm doing is getting on Printify. I'm making sure that I am ready and they are my virtual warehouse for the holiday season. The next thing I'm doing is identifying the products that I want to sell. Okay, so I am looking through the thousands of items and I'm saying, if I'm brand new, okay, what is it that I want to start with? And I'm not going to overwhelm myself because there are a lot of products, but I'm going to be thinking about who I want to sell these products to. And if you don't know who you want to sell these products to, if you don't know what your niche is, if you haven't built a community, I need for you to sign up for my free t-shirt class. The link is in my description. Please, please, please know who you're selling to this holiday season because people are going to be looking for their favorite brands. They're going to be looking for the items that they love because this is when people allow themselves to buy more than any other time in the year. Okay. So you got to know what people you actually want to buy your items. And based on those people, I am choosing items for them. That means that for me, as someone who has a brand for women, I am, of course, looking at hoodies because they sell really well. I'm looking at different things that women would love for the holidays, mugs, home decor, phone cases, right? Things that people have maybe been asking me for throughout the year that I haven't sold yet. I'm going to be looking and identifying those items. I'm also going to be looking at the best sellers list on Printify because I want to see like what has been selling the best. Tell me what has already been selling well. I'm not going to come in here and like reinvent the wheel. Tell me what's already working and I'm going to identify those products. Okay. If you're already an experienced seller, if you have been making money already, then think about the things that your customers have been asking you for and think about ways that you can bundle those items together. That means that people can get like a shirt, a hat, and a mug together for a holiday bundle. And they'll be more enticed to buy that so they can gift it to somebody else. People would come in and buy 10 girl plus guy shirts at a time so they can just give them to all of their friends because they knew that people liked their shirt. So you want to create a brand like that where people want to gift your items And or if you're just creating a brand for the holidays where they just feel excited about the holiday cheer that you provide to them and they want to buy your items. Okay. So think about that when you're creating your products and you're looking on Printify to see what you're going to sell. The next thing that I would do is start designing. Now, you can either do this on Canva for free. You can go into your Printify account and get 20% off for Fiverr and hire somebody to do designs for you, or you can design it directly inside of Printify. You can do text designs, you can even use AI and start creating designs that speak to the people that you want to sell them to. That means that if your designs are all about holiday cheer, I am coming up with the best holiday cheer designs that I can. I am using AI to its fullest advantage on Printify, and I am having fun creating these products for my customers because I know that they're going to love them. And that's the mindset that I want you to go into if you want to make 10, 20, $30,000 and up, is that my products makes people's lives better, right? I'm not begging anybody to buy anything. My products are going to make them happy. My products are going to make them feel good. So they're going to love buying this. They're going to love my products. So create with that in mind and go in there, have a good time, create your products. And I always say create more than what you actually may sell. I'm not telling you to go put 200 products on your Printify store. I'm just saying have fun and create a lot of products. Okay. The next thing that I would do is ask trusted friends and family for their feedback on the designs. People that you trust, right? Please don't go ask no hater that you know is a little bit of a hater. Like, what do you think about this? Ask people that you actually trust and don't just listen to what they say. Look at their kind of reaction. Look at their response to the items. Are they like, "Oh my god, I love this. When is this coming out?" Or are they just like, "Oh, this is cute. This is cool." See how they react to it, because what you want is that like ultimate excitement, and just see how other people feel. I would say ask a few people so that you have a good gauge of what is really going to sell. Okay. And based on all of your products, I would narrow it down to the ones that got the best reactions, whether that's colors for t-shirts and hoodies, whether that's designs, styles, narrow it down. If you are brand new, I would say don't start off with too many products. I would keep it no more than like 5 products in your store, unless it's like super specialty and it's a ton of holiday items and you're going to be bundling, but don't overcomplicate it, because if you have too many products, sometimes people don't buy anything because they don't know what to get. So make it easier than ever for people to buy. Okay. If you are already an experienced seller, I would just do what I said earlier. I'm thinking about bundles. I'm thinking about how to get people to buy more than what they need. So I am creating those products that I know have already done well that I've been selling. So for me, that's like, okay, I know that Girl Plus God hoodies do well. So I'm going to probably have like a red and green design. I'm going to have um, maybe a little snowflake got put on there. So I'm just adding to what already works, is what I'm saying. After I create my products, I'm going to determine where I want to sell these. I am thinking about how I'm going to get people to my store. How are people actually going to buy these items? If I'm brand new, I am probably going to get on Etsy or get a Printify pop-up store and maybe a TikTok shop, because I know that people are going to be buying like crazy on TikTok shop. If I already have a store and I'm on Shopify, I probably will also add a TikTok shop. So think about what is going to be the easiest way for you to get people to your store. You don't want for people to have to come and find you and be searching for you. How do I make it easy as possible for people to buy from me? After that, I am going to be thinking about my strategy, my marketing, and my drop schedule. If you don't know what a drop schedule is, if you don't know how to drop merch, I would definitely suggest you pick up my marketing ebook, or you just look on here for some free marketing tips to know how to drop your merch. You want to build up hype as much as possible. That means don't just put items on your store. let people know something is coming. So the same way that we know when Jordans are dropping, we know when new things are dropping at our favorite store because they tell you like next Friday, 9 p.m. You want to create that same hype with your customers. And you want to do this in a way where people are excited. Remember, a lot of people are doing sales for the holidays. A lot of people are buying for the holidays. So they have a lot of options. What are you going to do to stand out amongst these people for the holiday? So you have to start thinking like a true seller in order to make the 10, 20, 30,000. Okay. So that's why I've done things like dollar t-shirts for Black Friday. That's why I've done things like, or actually it was free t-shirt. You just pay the shipping. I've done things like the 12 days of Christmas. I've done things like every week there's a new drop in November and December. I've done a Thanksgiving collection where the collections were different Thanksgiving dishes, mac and cheese, cranberry sauce, right? You have to make your customers remember you in the midst of all of the noise. So I am really thinking about how I'm going to get my customers excited, and then I'm executing as early as possible. That means lots of videos, lots of content, lots of fun and engaging ways to get people excited. And you have ChatGPT, so there's no excuse, right? Type into ChatGPT marketing campaigns and drop schedules for your brand, type in your brand in order to make $10,000 for the holiday season and start executing. And again, these are the exact steps that I have done to make more than $30,000 for the holiday season because I know it works. But you have to absolutely make sure that you know who you're selling to. Those people are ready to buy from you, that you have the products ready for them, and that you're not stressing out about inventory and you're not stressing out about how they're going to get it. And then next, that you're making them excited about buying because they have a lot of options. Okay. So, like I said, this is exactly what I would do. It's exactly what I'm going to do. And if you have questions and you want me to break down exactly how I've done this with some of my campaigns, comment below. Make sure you take the free t-shirt class. It is down there. My Printify link is down there. If I were you and I have not sold anything yet, I'm logging into Printify today. I'm starting my store today and I'm getting ready to make at least $10,000 this holiday season. Okay. Because I'm trying to make it. I'm not trying to spend it this holiday season. So if you're with me, go ahead, log into Printify. Let me know your questions, comments, and make sure that you subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.